Hey students, how are you? Hope you all are very fine. I am Kinjal Sonchatra, your math guide. Welcome back to my channel StudyZone. This is the 8th tutorial of probability, chapter 15th of standard 9th. In last session we discussed about example 6 and in this session we will discuss about example 7. So don't waste the time, go to the session. Today's topics are basic formula of probability, answer of last homework, example 7 from your textbook and obviously homework. So starting with the first, it's basic formula. Probability equals to number of possible outcomes divided by total outcomes, which is already known. So go to the next. It's homework answer and the question is same as example 6. Got it? If you have checked properly. So question is, a tire manufacturing company kept a record of the distance covered before a tire needed to be replaced. The table shows the results of 1000 cases, means total outcomes 1000 and distance are given like less than 4000, 4000 to 9000, 9001 to 14000 and more than 40,000. Here frequencies are 20, 210, 325 and 445, means these are the possible outcomes. So if you buy a tire of this company, what is the probability that? And there are three questions. First is, it will need to be replaced before it has covered 4000 kilometers, means less than 4000 and frequency is 20. Check it out. Right? So possible outcome 20. Second question, it will last more than 9000 kilometers, means till 9000, starting with the less than 4000 and till 9000, means 20 plus 210 and answer is 230. Got it? And third question is, it will need to be replaced after it has covered somewhere between 4000 kilometer and 14,000 kilometer, means starting with the 4000 and end up with 14,000. Got it? So answer is, here it shows the results of 1000 cases, means total outcomes 1000. And for possible outcomes, first one is replaced before 4000 kilometer, means less than. Before means less than. So answer is 20 for possible outcome. And probability equals to number of possible outcomes divided by total outcomes equals to 20 divided by 1000 and answer is 0.02. Got it? Now second question. More than 9000. More than 9000 means starting with the 9001 and ending with more than 14,000 you can get. Right? So 325 plus 445. So probability equals to number of possible outcomes divided by total outcomes. So 770 divide by 1000 and answer is 0.77. And third, between 4000 and 14,000 means starting with the 4000 and end up with 14,000, means 210 plus 325. So answer is 535. And probability equals to number of possible outcomes divided by total outcomes equals to 535 divided by 1000 and answer is 0.535. Got it? If you have any question about it, you can ask me in comment section. Go to the next. It's example 7. Here question is, the percentage of marks obtained by a student in a monthly unit test are given below. Means there are total 5 tests, right? Unit tests are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And percentage of marks obtained here 69, 71, 73, 68 and 74. Now based on this data, find the probability that students get more than 70% in a unit test. Means you have to check that how many number of unit test which the student obtained more than 70%. Check it here. Second is 71, third is 73 and fifth is 74. Means there are total 3 answers, right? So the number of unit tests in which the student obtained more than 70% marks equals to 3. Got it? And possible outcomes 3. And total outcomes, total, check it here, it's 5, right? Because there are 5 unit tests. So probability equals to number of possible outcomes divided by total outcomes, and answer is 3 by 5, ultimately 0.6. Got it? If you have any doubt about it, then you can ask me in comment section. Now go to the next. It's homework time, and the question is the percentage of marks obtained by a student in the monthly unit test are given below. Unit tests are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and percentage of marks obtained 89, 71, 73, 76 and 74. Based on this data, find the probability that the student gets more than 75%. More than 75% in a unit test. Best of luck, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Bye-bye.